And now we have time for some questions. So, first question in here, could you elaborate more on what simplified scheduling does or could look like?
Sandy, you should take
Yeah, I can talk to that. So family medicine, as of Monday, went to essentially 25 minutes for every visit, whether it's video, telephone, or face-to-face. There's very few exceptions to that. There are certain procedures like vasectomy, you need more than 25 minutes. But it's a very limited range, and so this is to make sure we have access for our patients, and it decreases the stress and confusing for our frontline staff, our PSRs, our MAs, RNs. They don't have to think, okay, Jeff wants 40 minutes for this, Sandy wants 20. It's 25 for everything, and general internal medicine is moving to 30 minutes, and GPM is working on it. This also will meet the national benchmarks for visits per hour for all of our departments too.
I think it's important to understand that while we work collaboratively, each specialty in primary care is different, and we have different benchmarks for the number of patients we should see, and that sort of thing. That's why there's 25 minutes versus 30 minutes. And I did my first 30-minute template last week, and it just evens out. Some people take a little longer, a lot of people are less, but the PSRs and the RNs don't have to think about where to put a patient, and that's amazing.
And it will also allow patients to self-schedule anywhere onto the schedule through MyChart too.
Yeah.
And in pediatrics, we'll be maintaining a 15, 30-minute split for our appointment schedules.
Great.
Standard.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a question here on